Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this Elite Trainer box. It's the one we haven't opened on this channel yet, and I'm kind of excited to do that. Interestingly enough, though, this set seems not to be as hyped as the newer ones, which are coming out these days. You can still pick this box up for a fairly fair amount of money, to be honest. I think I paid like 50 bucks for that. So we get a little description piece and inlays and all that. We don't gonna bother about that, throw that to the side. And yeah, I think we barely opened any of these boosters on the channel here, liking the design to be honest. Um, but I saw some artworks that are in the set, like Persian, which has a pretty nice artwork, and Houndoom. I'm hoping for the best. We get a total of 9 boosters here, which is always a good deal for the pricing. Then we got some dice. Gotta say, I like the design here. We got this toxic green, neon-ish, combined with the pink. Then we got our damage counter, like the poison burn. And the sleeves, we'll check that in a sec. We got our basic energy pack, um, card dividers, promo card. We will see that in a second here. Dividers looking fine, I guess. They could have done more with that. This is the promo. Let's get rid of the wrapping so we actually get a better view. Let's see. So here it is. Yeah, looking nice. A lot of purple going on. Here's the code for that, if you want to pick that up. And then we got the sleeves. Not sure if that's clean sleeves or it's more like the milky, foggish ones. Back looking decent. Liking the pink color. Yeah, okay, well, we got the clean ones, which is nice, and the really nice slim fit. So, yeah, not bad. Throw that to the side. First card of the set we're getting. And I don't know if the pull rate is bad. Let's see if we have well, almost. We got a bunch of these. So 3, 3, 3. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I'm not sure how the pull rate is. We only got one of these, so we're gonna open him last. But we'll see. I know Prismatic Evolutions, we just opened that up the other day, has ridiculously bad pull rates. So let's hope this is not the same here. So here's the code. We're just gonna start off with fire energy. Nope, it's not. Yeah, but I'm excited. I hope to see some of the alt arts. Definitely, I would love to see Houndoom. It's a pretty sick one. Not the best start here. We're starting off with a regular holo, which is basically guaranteed these days. So yeah, I don't know. Let's see. We aren't giving up here yet. We got a bunch of packs left, so let's hope for the best and see what we can get. We got another fire. No, it's not. It's fighting. Okay, here's the first Houndoom. Already good artwork, to be honest. Givalta, okay. Kyurem. We got another. Oh my god, we got 2 in a row in a reverse holo slot and another holo. Yeah, cool artwork, but yeah, not what we're looking for. Not at all. So, let's see what we have. Third pack. Here's the code. Let's go for leaf energy. Nope. Okay. Meow. Zura. Do. Oh, cool artwork. Eevee. Okay, we got the first hit. Seadra. King. Um, I don't know. Not what I was expecting to see here, to be honest. Not I'm gonna complain. First hit, better than nothing, right? Just was hoping for something else, I guess. Oh well, we got a couple packs left. No reason to panic. But yeah, I don't know. We had a bunch of. Okay, we got holo energy cards in the set as well. I did not realize that's a thing. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. So lately we had really bad luck in our elite trainer boxes. Um, I just hope that's gonna change and we are actually getting more lucky, but it doesn't look like it. This is a reprint we have on Cosmetic Evolutions. We pulled that yesterday as well. Oh gosh. Okay. Energy cards always in the sleeve. Liking the holo energy cards in general. Doesn't matter which ones. Just for playing it, just I don't know. It's cool to have them. Another code. Oh, another holo. Nice. Let's see. It feels like we're pulling like the same cards over and over. I don't know if there's like not a lot. Oh my gosh, we even pull the same holos. I was gonna say I'm not even sure of how many base cards are in the set, but it feels like we're pulling the same cards over and over. Okay, we got a couple of packs left. Let's go. Code card. Fire. Come on. Come on. No. Nothing. Nothing. So, 3 packs left. Let's hope for the best. We have one hit so far, and it's just a regular EX. Code card for you, Leaf Energy. Nope. Oh, gosh. Come on. Seahorse. Horsey. Yeah, this is like, okay, I know people count this as a hit, but holy moly, look at the bend. I don't think that's it though. Like, I don't know. I'm never excited about these. I'm just, meh. I don't know what to think about them. So 2 packs left. Oh my gosh, we have one hit so far out of 9 packs. Well, we haven't opened up 9 yet, so. But I don't know if both these packs have a hit, then it's okay, I guess. One, I would say it's not worth it then, but maybe the pull rate is just really horrible in this set as well. I don't know about that. Let's go. Let's go. Finally something. It's just a regular EX again, but still better than nothing. Freaking monkey. Put that in his sleeve. I mean, it's alright. Could have been worse. And last pack magic, hopefully. For some reason, I have a really bad feeling it's not gonna happen, huh? Is it? Code card. Leave. Energy. Oxquan. Kiwi. Come on. Meowth. Into Maw. No, nothing. Holy moly. 9 packs. We got 2 regular EXs. That's crazy. I thought only like the newer sets have these bad pull rates. Let me just check here really quick. Okay, I don't really care about the gold cards. Okay, we got really nice artworks here. Didn't pull anything that's close to that. And yeah, as you see here, that's what I was saying. But like Persian is amazing. I like those Aurora, which is super cute as well. Oh wow, there's the Hondoom. That's amazing. I wish we would have pulled that. That would have been so nice to have. But yeah, let's see. There's like some EXs. Yeah, otherwise, oh wow, there's not. Oh, that's it. That's all there is for the base cards. Okay, that explains then. So, take care.